Okay, Darla, this is your Durango, and we've got the transmission out of the vehicle. As you can see, there's the back of your flywheel. It's a little hard to see because it's dark under the car, but that's where the transmission normally goes, in this area of your car. Over here on the bench, we have the transmission tore down, and spread out on the bench are all the burned up clutches from inside, and your rear section, the tail with the bearing that's needing to be replaced. Over here is the main case. The case itself is okay, so there's no damage to the main case, but there's more burned clutches from the low reverse and 2/4 clutches. Here's the debris that's inside your filter. As you can see, there's quite a bit in there. And over here is the front pump of the transmission, and when you look in the pan, you can see how much metal was collected in here. Just gobs of metal in here. And also there's a lot of steel mixed in the bottom of the pan from the damage of the transmission. There's contaminations to the valve body and the solenoid right there that'll need to be replaced, and the torque converter is a sealed unit. It will also need to be replaced. We'll go ahead and send this video to you along with a PDF of your estimate, and then we can get going and get the transmission rebuilt and back in your vehicle. We'll attach also a hot flush, an example of what we're going to do to clean out the cooler lines with our hot flush machine from another customer's vehicle, just to show you an example of what a hot flush is. Alright, Clifton, this is our hot flush machine. This is flushing a transmission out right now. It's not hooked up to your car at the moment, but you can see the lines go up, and they connect to the cooler lines of the transmission, and then the lines pump the hot transmission fluid. Right now the fluid is up to about 179 degrees. It's pumping through at about 40 pounds of pressure. It's on looks like a 60-minute cycle, and it is reverse flushing air pressure from the shop that's connected to the machine. Every 3 seconds it reverse flushes a pulse of air through there for turbulence. On the flow meter, we can see we're flowing 4 gallons per minute, and of course when we're through flushing lines on your transmission, yours will flow like this as well, and the lines will be completely clean, and the cooler will be completely clean for your transmission, and no debris or metal will then get back into the new transmission. That's our hot flush.